I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test problem on combination of functions for you. The question is, given f of x equals to x squared minus 4 and g of x equals to x plus 2, explain how can you combine these functions into one function that has both a vertical asymptote and a horizontal asymptote. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into the suggestion. Now in this question, what are we given? We are given f of x equals to x squared minus 4, and we are given g of x equals to x plus 2. And what we need is a vertical asymptote and a horizontal asymptote. Now, if you start thinking about it, we can actually jot down few points that can help us find the solution, right? So let's think about few points. One is, we want to get combination of function. Now, what is combination of function means? Combination means we are looking for f plus g, we are looking for f minus g, or we are looking for f times g, or we are looking for f over g, or we are looking for g over f. So these are the combinations which we are really looking for, right? Now, since we know we need both vertical and horizontal, so that means we are looking for rational function, right? Now, if you need a horizontal asymptote, then what? Then degree of denominator should be either higher, right, or same as numerator. Now that is key. That really helps us to find the function, right? So now applying all these things which we know about, we can write down our function now. So we say our function h of x could be, it is a rational function where degree of denominator is higher. So degree of f of x is higher. So that comes in the denominator, and g of x lower degree goes in the numerator. Do you get the idea? So that is the function. Now we can substitute the values. G of x is x plus 2, right? And f of x is x squared minus 4. This can be simplified also. We can say x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x minus 2, right? And this could be written as 1 over x minus 2. And of course here x is not equal to plus minus 2, right? Because both will give us denominator at 0, right? Now in this function, what do you observe? Do we have a horizontal asymptote? Yes, we do. Our horizontal asymptote is, since the degree is higher, y equals to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. How about the vertical asymptote? X equals to 2, right? X equals to 2 is vertical asymptote, right? That makes the denominator 0. And we have one more thing here, and that is we have a hole at x equals to minus 2, right? So that is another thing which we have in this particular function. So like that, we can actually come to a conclusion that our function h of x should be g of x over f of x, right? So the answer is that the function, so explain how you can combine these functions. So the combination is you could divide one by the another, right? So the function h of x is equals to g of x divided by f of x to give the given situation, right? So that is how you should be solving it. Now here's the question for you. Now in this case, what we need an oblique asymptote. So if I change the question and I say we need an oblique asymptote, right, then how can we combine these particular functions, right? Or if I say that in this particular case we need oblique asymptote, and let me change the functions, right? So let us say our functions now are f of x equals to x squared plus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equals to x plus 1, right? Now in this case, what you need to find is, let me change this value to 4, okay. Now in this case, you need to find a value How can you combine these two functions so that you get an oblique asymptote, right? You don't get horizontal asymptote. So that is the question for you. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.